can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hello beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. And I would really love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. Everything will be listed down there below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. But first, a sip of my wine. It's been such a stressful week. Definitely need that. Anyway, today I am back with a huge Victoria's Secret haul. And I'm so excited to share with you all the cute things that I got. So a lot of these things that I got are either online or in store, and I got them for the holidays so I could give them as holiday gifts. But I also got a bunch of stuff for me. I feel so bad. Do you guys ever do that? Do you ever go shopping for gifts and end up getting stuff for yourself? Because I do that like all the time. So I basically ended up getting one for me and one for a gift. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. So I'm gonna start off first with some beauty stuff. And I did pick up a bunch of body mists, and the one that I got is this one here from Pink. It's called Pink Snow, and oh my goodness, this just literally smells so amazing. Like, it's so sweet, but it's like the perfect scent. And I love this so much. I highly recommend this scent. And it has like a little bit of hint of vanilla and winter wood. So try that out. I did end up getting a couple of those. I also got the Cocoa Mist, one of my favorites this year. So this here has a really nice soft scent of coconut, but it's like a very mild scent, so it's not like super powerful. This is like perfect to like go to bed or just for like every day. Love this one here so much. I ended up getting a couple of those, and the other ones that I got, they just kind of packaged them in this plastic bag, which I'm glad they did because that way they don't kind of spill everywhere. I also got a few of the cocoa lotions to go with the Cocoa Mist, and this is like one of my favorite lotions at the moment. It smells so incredible. It's like a really nice light scent of coconut, but it's not like super strong, and I just love this so much. So hydrating. Definitely recommend it. So I did get a couple of those, one for me, then the other one's for gifts. And the last spray that I got is this one here, which is called the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction with Shimmer. It does have little micro sparkles of shimmer. It smells so nice. It reminds me a lot of the Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. It's like definitely very, very similar, but this one here has hints of plum and freesia. I think that's how you say it, but it's really nice. Such a beautiful scent. So I also got this really cute set here for gifts, and I got two of these. This one here was from the pink section, and basically you get 3 products, which I think is great. This is like perfect for holidays, for gifts. You get a mini body spray. It's the Fresh and Clean, which I really don't think it's that mini. I think it's the perfect size. To be honest with you, I never go through a whole like body spray unless I really, really love it. But this is like the perfect size. You also get a 24-hour body lotion, and you also get a high gloss in full size. So I think this is like an incredible deal. You do get 3 products. It's great for gifts. So I did end up getting a few of those. I also got a few of the coconut body scrubs. This one is the Scrub Down, and it smells so nice. Literally, it just smells like coconut. If you love coconut and you love like vanilla scents, you're gonna love this scrub so much. I actually already used a few of it, but it's such a nice scrub, and it just exfoliates your skin. It leaves it super hydrating. It's so soft. That's why I love this so much, because just my skin feels really moisturized. So highly, highly recommend this. I also ended up getting a couple items for my hair. So I got this really cute scrunchie, and these I actually ordered online because I was searching all over for these and they do not have them in store. But it's this beautiful silky pink scrunchie. It's so cute. I love this so much. And then I also, oh my goodness, I love this one so much. I also got this gorgeous satin bow. Isn't it so pretty? And it has the V for Victoria's Secret. It's so soft. Absolutely love it. And of course I got one for me, and then I ended up getting another one for my bestie. So I did get 2 of those so we can be matching. And then the other thing that I got is a mask, since we have to use them all the time. But I did get this beautiful Victoria's Secret mask. It's beautiful, like blush pink color, and it has the Victoria's Secret logo in gold. I thought this was like so pretty, like it's so cute. Since I do wear a lot of pink, that's just gonna be perfect. So with all the pink items, I did end up getting one of these for free. It came with my order, and I was so excited because it's pink, it's so cute, and I'm definitely gonna add this to my beauty room. So I got that. I was really excited for that. Didn't even know that was coming. But let me show you the other items that I got. So I did get some PJs, and then I also ended up getting this adorable hoodie, which I love. And it's the Victoria's Secret hoodie. This is in the size small, and it is pretty big. So with Victoria's Secret clothes, like with their sweaters, cardigans, and all that, they do run pretty big. So do keep that in mind. This is a size small, and it's, I wouldn't say huge, it's just like perfect. But if I would have gotten the size medium, it would have been huge. But this is like super soft. It's such a nice quality sweater, and it does have a little hoodie in the back. It's pretty long as well, so this is like perfect to wear with leggings. And it has the Victoria's Secret like V with the bow and little rhinestones on it. Definitely love this so much. So I also got some PJs, and I got one of their satin PJs and 2 cotton ones. This one here is the Victoria's Secret stripes one, and I really wanted to get the ones with like the light colors, but they didn't have them in my size, so hopefully they will very soon. But I did end up getting this one here, which is like a little bit darker. However, it's gorgeous. I actually got this one for my birthday, and I am loving this PJ so much. It's so comfy. I also got a cotton one, also with the shorts. So it looks like this, and it's like light pink with little black polka dots. It also comes with its top, and it's so adorable. So these are in the size small. Normally I'm like a size either small or medium, but knowing Victoria's Secret and most of their items tend to be a little bit bigger, so I did get these in a size small, and they fit perfect. So I also got a long pants and like a long sleeve PJ because I'm always freezing, I'm always cold. So this one here is so pretty. It's also pink with little stripes. It does have little buttons in the front. It's so comfy. And these are the pants. These are pretty long. So I am 5'6" for reference, and these actually are pretty long. I don't know why they tend to be super long like that. I don't know if they have like a petite size or in between, but those are the PJs that I got. And then the last thing I ended up getting is a little beauty case, which I love. And it's this one here. Isn't it so pretty? It comes in the beautiful light pink stripes. So this does come with like a larger size beauty case, and then you get 2 little minis inside, which are adorable. Like, I don't even know what to put in this yet, but I am loving this little case so much. So those are all the items that I got from Victoria's Secret. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite item, and I hope you all have an amazing rest of your weekend. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.